let's take a look at some commodities. So gold and silver, just like we had that false break lower in gold, we had a false break higher in gold here last week. This is a 4-hour chart. Broke higher here on the 22nd, and since then it's just been a disaster. Actually, as I speak, we're getting pretty close to a level to keep in mind. That's the 618 retrace of the rally here from the September low up to the October high. So 1756 and change. Keep that level in mind. Other than that, I don't have much to tell you about gold. It's not trading very well at the moment. So keep that in mind. Silver, again, 618 here is going to be 2272. This looks a little more promising to me than gold. You can see the rally. It's more of a impulsive look to it, right? Gold has been just kind of, the rallies have been choppy as hell, and not a whole lot to believe in there. Also, just from a bigger picture standpoint on silver, like we have this great channel where we've reversed higher from, and the horizontal level that we reversed higher from as well. So, you know, on a bigger picture basis, taking out the September 2020 low and reversing higher, you know, has me thinking that we head towards the top of the channel, which eventually is going to be 26 and change. So I'm probably more interested in silver, you know, than gold, as far as paying attention to its, you know, possible support level, which again is going to be like 2270s. Okay, let's go look at copper and crude oil. Okay, so copper, we're sitting on a big level, and if copper is going to work higher at all, it probably needs to hold basically here, because if you don't, then what happens is you start to think about double top with this May high and October high. And you can see here the top side of that former trend line held very well. You know, but again, if you come through this, it kind of, to me, it's like a trap door type of thing. You start to fall apart. So I would keep an eye on copper here. You know, if we get a big bounce off of it, then sure, maybe we're off to the races again. But you can't dismiss the fact that we rallied and reversed in the vicinity of those highs. So no assumptions made here that we're just headed higher. I would be watching this very carefully over the next couple of days.